Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time here, my name is Leonard Sotelo, and I created this channel because website traffic. It's very important to every one of our businesses out there, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, e-com, whatever it may be, organic website traffic, and I also teach um, paid website traffic. So if this is your first time here, I really appreciate you stopping by. And at the end of this video, if you like my content, please hit that like button so other people could see my content as well. I really appreciate it. And to all my subscribers out there, I really appreciate you stopping by this channel, subscribing. I really appreciate it. So feel the fear and do it anyway, everybody. So what am I going to do different about this Pinterest? Because there's a lot of Pinterest videos. There's a lot of them saying you can make money online here, make money online there, and everybody's talking about making money online. But the thing is, sometimes you won't make money. It happens. Sometimes you don't make money. You have to test your ads, test what you're doing, and make sure your what you're selling is trending in the marketplace. So let me get started here. And what did I do different as well? I scheduled a call. I didn't see this on no other video. I didn't have time to go through every single video on Pinterest, the recent Pinterest video. So I scheduled a call and I spoke with a woman and she gave me a bunch of information that I took notes on. I want to share these notes with you out there. And you could also schedule your own call. So let me get started here. I asked, before I scheduled this call, I went to Chat GPT and I asked Chat GPT what are the best performing, profitable, potential niches where you could, where that is on Pinterest. So this is the list it gave me: fashion and style, home decor and interior design, food and recipes, travel and adventure, weddings and events, health and wellness, DIY and crafts, parenting and family, beauty and makeup, photography and inspiration. So you might not see your niche in here. You might not see your niche in here. Don't get discouraged because that could mean no guarantees or promises, but it could mean it's open market to your niche. You could go in there and create your own business account and start running traffic to your website. So, and also for those of you out there that think it's saturated or too much competition, well, you could look at it like that, or you could go in there and just do your own thing and start getting some traffic to your stuff. So let me show you here in a little bit why Pinterest. Pinterest gets a lot of traffic, everybody. It has an authority score of 100, 1 billion organic traffic. There's a lot of traffic here. And let's see what else it has here. This is a lot of traffic to go to your website, everybody. So Pinterest is a good place. Now, before I move on, I do want to let you know, if you like this content in any way, if there's going to be some other videos, I'm going to show you a lot more places where you could get traffic here in a little while. But if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and tap that notification bell to get notified of other videos that I have coming in, so you could watch them as well. So let's move forward here. There's a lot of traffic coming from look at that, paid position distribution. So right now I tested out a few ads, paid ads. Let me show you. Let me quit talking about it and let me show you. Okay, this is one of my accounts here. This is in the fashion niche. I will have the link. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, I appreciate it. I will have my link in the description. I will also have my website in the description, sugarcoatyourbeauty.com. That will be in the description as well. So I started this account a while ago, and I spoke with the woman. Now, this is what she told me, everybody. This is what she told me. Okay, first of all, no adult stuff. No adult stuff. That's a no-no. Don't be doing that. When you come here, have a lot of respect for their platform and do not try to post anything that is adult, mature, 18 plus, NSFW type stuff. Do not post that here. So that's a no-no. Now, let's see what we call those as. So when I went to ChatGPT and asked them how many business accounts can you have, ChatGPT told me only 4. Well, this woman told me you could open as many businesses as you like. She said it is going to be more work because you got to consider um, the pins and everything you got to make for every account. Now you can outsource a lot of your pins to third parties and have them create the pins that you like. But I want to show you. Look, I've been getting some traffic here. This one I ran an ad recently. I got 308 clicks. I got 55.6 thousand impressions. Let me open the stats for you. Let me open this up for you. Sorry about that. And I'm just testing these out, everybody. This is I didn't put much into this, but I actually got to see if there has been some sales going on. But I got some traffic here with all this. See analytics, and let's see. Organic pins are now grouped for format video. Okay, rather than pin type, all organic. Single. Okay, so when I started this ad, it went all the way up here. It kept going, dropped a little bit, went up, and then it skyrocketed up here. And then the ad is over, so it dropped down here. So if you have a new account, here, uh, this is how I started right here. I started with organic pin. It's about the same thing, as I don't know if you have a regular account, if you're familiar with Pinterest, but you just create a pin there, and then you drag and drop whatever here. You put the title, you put a good description, and then you put your link. Now, I would suggest if you're going to put a link, put like your website, not no Telegram or nothing like that. You could if you want. That's just me. Let's see. I asked her if you could direct link. Direct linking, you will not see conversions. To drive considerable to get leads. Okay. So when I'm running an ad, let me kind of back up here a little bit. See, this is still fairly new. I'm still running a lot, and I'm going to be making more videos, updates on how this is doing. But I got quite a few pins here. I noticed. I don't know if I was doing it a little. That's what I spoke with her about too, because it seems like video ads, like a 5-second video, they get more eyeballs on them. So as you can see right here, I had 30,171. These were tested with two different, I would say, two different keywords. There were different keywords, different ones. So I've been running tests. So she said for the best results, $30 a day for better results. Drive considerable. So when you're running an ad, let me show you something real quick. Let me see this right here. Let's see. So when you running an ad, so this is kind of towards you could do or organically. You're gonna have to post a lot to not pay nothing. But if you're gonna do ads, let me show you here real quick. So when you run ads, let's say you create an ad. Let me show you here. She told me go right here to manual, get started, and I had these two confused because I was promoting an ebook to gather leads. I was under conversions. She told me not to use conversions if you're trying to gather leads. She says drive considerations, get more people to click on your ad on Pinterest. So I didn't know that, which was pretty cool. So let me see what else. She said go click and find new customers. Set up your ad daily. She said like $30 a day for better results. Find new customers. 25 to 50 keywords for best results. I had add high keywords. So what add high keywords means is if you're running, I don't know how many of you have ever went to what's it called, to Ahrefs, and you're running SEO, and when you're running a SEO, excuse me here, I'm trying to do something, but it's not letting me do it. Anyway, when you're picking on SEO for like a blog post or something like that, they say if you use the high keywords on there, you're most likely not going to get ranked for that. On here, she told me it's different. it's different. It's vice versa. So yeah, I wanted to put that in there. She said, use negative keywords. Runs. Excuse me, I can't talk right. I need some water. Let ads run, and then narrow down demographics. Pinterest ads can show up on a Google search, which is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know that. If you don't, hey, that's some cool stuff. So yeah, I wanted to show you all that, and also for those of you out there looking for more website traffic, here's my channel, and I got a lot of videos here on website traffic for so many different things. Whatever niche you're in, you can find traffic on a lot of these. So go check it out. But let's see here real quick. See if there's anything else I want to share. Pinterest. Okay, so you got the ads. You're gonna set up your timer here stuff, and let's see. Find new customers. She told me select that, and then right here, there's two things you can do. You could all interest. So let's say you want to, if you're into trying to sell something for animals or art, whatever. But over here is where you put your keywords. So let's say animals. No, you know what? Let's narrow it down to dogs. So dogs, right there, you got a monthly search of 5 million, and dogs, funny dogs, hot dog or dogs. So a lot of these keywords you could use in here, and all you do is add there, and all they go there, or you could just copy and paste one at a time. Till you got about 25 to 50, whatever you feel. And I'm not going to publish this because I'm just kind of showing for example. Then in here, this is where you either create your ad or you select the pin that you want to do. So if I wanted to just go over here and select one of my pins, let's say I don't have anything for dogs, so I'm not going to do it. But I'm usually using fashion right here. So if I want to try to sell or promote a pin and get leads. If I want to get leads, I want to try my giveaway right here. I want to put that in there. But for this example, I'm just kind of showing you this information I picked up from Pinterest, a representative of Pinterest, because I didn't see anybody else really doing it. A lot of people, you get a lot of organic traffic by just creating a pin. Just by creating or organic pin, you get a lot of traffic doing that. And you could keep doing that, but if you got like a fresh new account, let's say you're trying to sell your recipes or something. That's when it's good to run some ads behind it. And now I did want to let you stay. I hope you stay till the end. I'm sorry for taking up a lot of your time here, but there are quite a few tools you can get to use to automate your stuff. So I asked this, what are some tools for automation? It Tailwind, Buffer, Hootsuite, Sprout Social, Pinterest, Promote Republic, Viral Tag, Social Pilot. So these are quite a few. Now I don't know if they're free. I used Buffer in the past before. I heard of Sprout Social. I haven't used these really. That'll probably be some other videos I'm coming up in the future. But with sugarcoatyourbeauty.com, I couldn't really, I'm not a woman. I can't really come up with woman's content, and it wasn't that easy. So if you're using WordPress for your website, here are some WordPress plugins for Pinterest. So WordPress plugins for Pinterest are Tasty Pins, Social Warfare, WP Tasty, Pinterest Pin It button on image, hover, and post, Pinterest Automatic Pin WordPress plugin, Pinterest Pro for WordPress, Pinterest Pinboard widget, Pinterest Pin It button. So go ahead and write those down, take a snapshot or whatever you want to do. I just wanted to share this video with you, and So can't get this to minimize. So I can't get my little image back on the bottom here. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Share it with whoever. And go ahead and check out the links in the description below. I always have something there for all of you. If you're just starting out, hey, there's some great ebooks that I have. I got some other videos that are going to pop up right here and show you where you could get these ebooks. So thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. You have a good night, good day. Be safe out there. God bless.